Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys had a safe weekend. And tomorrow is Monday, a favorite day for traders, especially. And if you already have some stocks for tomorrow, very good. But if you don't have, then don't worry. As usual, I'll be sharing two stocks basically for learning, not for trading. Keep this in mind. So only for learning, I share two stocks so that people who don't have any stock, anything in their mind, they can use these two stocks for learning the next day. Well, I have SAIL and I have Coal India in my radar. These are two stocks for tomorrow. SAIL, if you see, a lot of buyers are coming into the picture. Previously, a lot of buyers are there. And if you see previously also, it is stuck on this particular resistance zone, right? So it is exactly near this resistance zone, and our levels are also there, don't worry. But on a short term basis, after corrections, it has come back. Okay, now it is staying here. If a breakout is happening, then what if the journey continues to 143 and then the peak is 150 levels for this particular stock? Short term basis, yes, could go or not, but for scalping, our levels are immediate resistance is going to be 135, 137.5, and 140 levels is the immediate resistance levels. Downside support is going to be 132.5 and 130, which you can see tomorrow. So allow the stock to breathe tomorrow. Be very careful. This stock can be again volatile. When I say volatile, in terms of percentage, so the percentage movement can be more in this particular stock. Not that great fundamentally. I would say average, good at the current prices. It's already in the peak. So these levels are peak for the stock. So going towards its peak. So stay very careful. If the stock is moving up or down, it can move with great percentages. So be very careful. Even though it can go ulta also, be very careful. So observe this stock. Apart from that, I have Coal India. So SAIL is more of steel and all that. Coal India is more of mining, coal mining. So Coal India has a news basically, yeah. So if you see the event, it has a news tomorrow. Confirm it is on 14th. So it is on 14th. So be very careful. So your observation is during news, what's gonna be the uh, reaction of the stock. Okay. So how you can take advantage of the stock. So keep this in your radar and see how it behaves. Most probably it can be a good news also for the stock, but it depends. Always remember, suddenly if a stock gets a good news or bad news, it may not react the same day. A lot of intraday psychology and a lot of people may take advantage in a different way. Maybe after tomorrow, day after tomorrow, for example, it gets a good news. You can observe these things, learning. The stock gets a good news. Sometimes the stock can fall. After 2 days, the stock will start going up. So intraday traders will be like, okay, good news came, it fell. Why? A lot of people want to enter from the lower levels, can drop it down. So be very careful with these type of stocks. Even though good news may come out or whatever it is, stock can behave in a different way. But even though the news comes after 2-3 days, just watch the stock. If it's a good news, if in case it falls, then keep it in your list and see how it behaves after 2-3 days. So that is one lesson for people who hold their stocks. And if it is a bad news, it can go ulta also, it can go up also, and then from 2 or 3 days it can fall. Okay, so keep that in mind so that they get an exit out there. These are two stocks for you. Coal India levels for intraday scalping. Currently, it is staying near a resistance of 162.5, 165, 167, and in case stock is doing really good, 170. Depends on the market again. And lower side is 160 is what I am keeping. So let's see how Coal India will behave tomorrow along with the market news. Both the stocks can be volatile, so be very careful when you take the trade. So I would always recommend you to do paper trading, not more than that, because what you're doing is just one part of the trading in intraday. Intraday needs more of skills, okay? So more discipline and skill. So every day when you look into the market, that discipline and that skill will come. So this is the practice which we are doing. Like after certain weeks or months, I will add more learnings to these things. So you are learning from the start my videos, then I'll be adding more parameters. If you are joining recently, it may be a little difficult for you when I add parameters, but anyways, you can also practice with the stocks and add certain Bollinger Bands or Heiken-Ashi over here to see where is the rally going up and down. So you trade 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute charts to get an idea where the stock is trading for certain minutes. Always keep Nifty in your mind, because Nifty is nothing but top 50 stocks behavior. A lot of people are pushing these up, then most of them would definitely think of buying direction, but doesn't mean it will impact your stock. Just that we are trying to see the sentiment of the whole market, where most of the people psychology is today is, what if they're trying to drop the market and you're going to buy? So it is not safe. So you should understand the sentiment of the market, compare with Nifty 50 how it is moving, top 50 stocks, or compare with your index, where is Coal India, where is SAIL, see where its index is and how is the index performing. So based on that, take. So thank you so much for watching this video. One more week of learning. So stay tuned. Thank you. See you in my next video. Till then again, bye bye.